Where is the fuse box located in the 2024 Jeep Gladiator, and how many fuse panels does it have? What components do the fuses control, and where can you find a diagram to identify them? How can you access the fuse box, check for a blown fuse, and safely replace it? Power Distribution Center Fuse Box. The 2024 Jeep Gladiator fuse box is located under the hood near the battery, with some models also having an interior fuse panel. A diagram on the fuse box cover or in the owner's manual helps identify fuses controlling key systems, like lights, infotainment, and engine functions. It includes spare fuses and a fuse puller for easy maintenance and replacements.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.